Hi y'all! We are doing another day of Christmas. It is the 10th day of Christmas. And on the 10th day, we are getting pull-apart Christmas tree bread. Very simple, very easy, wonderful appetizer to a Christmas party. But we got some Grand's biscuits, we got the big can. Got some Parmesan cheese, we got some Colby Jack cheese. Now honestly, you could use whatever your favorite brick of cheese is. We got some butter, we got some garlic powder, and we got some Italian seasoning. But before we get to baking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get baking. Alright y'all, no matter what type of cheese you're using, we need 32 small blocks of it. Small cubes of cheese. Alright, once we have our 32 cubes of cheese, set those to the side. Now we got our biscuits. Now the reason we needed 32 cubes of cheese is because we're going to take our biscuits we're simply going to quarter them up. And when you quarter 8 biscuits, you get 32. Okay, set those off to the side. Now we're going to take a cookie sheet, preferably a bigger one, but we will work with what we got. I've put some parchment paper on it. Let's take a quarter of this biscuit. We're going to kind of pull it out a little bit. You want to put the seam side down. We're going to start right there. I'm just going to have just enough room on this small cookie sheet. But we're going to do 7 rows, adding 1 more to each row as we go. Now we're going to do our stump. Now I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter here. Let's go ahead, slide this off to the side real quick. Bring in the butter that we've melted. I'm going to take half a teaspoon of garlic powder and take a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Alright, so the camera cut out, but all you missed was us taking that butter mixture that we made, that seasoned butter, and we went ahead and used all of it and we painted it evenly across our Christmas tree. And you want to use every last drop of that seasoned butter. So now we are going to take and we are just going to snow on some Parmesan cheese. Not too much, just a little bit. It's a nice little dusting of coating here. Now we're going to throw this in the oven at 375 for about 15 to 17 minutes until these biscuits are done. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all, after about 17 minutes, our Christmas tree is done. It has come out. We had a little bit of cheese leakage. That's okay. If you want, you can go clean it up if you want it to look pretty. But then you just pull it apart and eat. If you really would like, you can take some marinara sauce, heat up a little bowl of marinara sauce as a dipping side. But if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button down below. There is a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.